I believe in the limitless potential of people as lifelong learners who can overcome any challenge that comes their way. With the right mindset and resources, anyone can grow, adapt, and thrive in an ever-changing world.
Education, whether formal or informal, serves as a powerful tool that unlocks doors to new opportunities and fosters innovation. To nurture curiosity, it is essential to create environments that support and celebrate learning at all stages of life. This includes providing access to quality education and mentoring, as well as fostering inclusive spaces where diverse perspectives are valued and respected.
As a community, when we invest in the potential of individuals, we invest in a brighter, more resilient future for everyone.
Imagine a world where every person feels confident in their ability to learn and grow, where barriers to education and personal development are dismantled, and where the collective wisdom of humanity is harnessed to tackle the most pressing challenges of our time. Such a world is within our reach if we commit to supporting and uplifting one another on our lifelong learning journeys. Together, we can create a society where knowledge and compassion drive progress, and where everyone has the chance to shine.
Each of us is a unique powerhouse of talents and passions that could be the key to swimming in a pool of money. Embracing these quirks is like holding the golden ticket to a happy and abundant life.
Whether it's an artistic flair, a knack for numbers, or an ability to connect with others on a deep level, our individual strengths are what set us apart in this vast, competitive world. By nurturing and honing these skills, we not only pave the way for personal success, but also contribute positively to the communities around us.
Imagine a world where everyone is fully engaged in their passions, where creativity and innovation flow freely, and where collaboration thrives.
This vision isn't just a distant dream. It's a tangible reality we can work towards by supporting each other and celebrating our unique contributions. Let all of us take that step forward, embrace our quirks, and embark on a journey of self-discovery and prosperity.
My greatest adventure unfolds when I team up with people in tough spots, sharing skills that uplift their world. Problem solving is my expertise. Whether it's renovating a property back to being a home, brainstorming innovative solutions with small business owners, or lending a helping hand to a friend in need, I thrive on the challenge. Each situation is unique, requiring a blend of creativity, empathy, and determination. I find joy in turning obstacles into opportunities and watching as small changes create ripples of positive impact. My journey is filled with stories of resilience and triumph, proving time and again that together, we can overcome anything. Welcome to my best life and the brand new REMIX kit. I wrote an easy-to-read book that transforms anyone willing to take a few days to create their best future. I made a total transformation into my best self, and I know anyone can also do it. Buy the Best Life REMIX kit on Amazon, subscribe to the channel, be sure to visit the website for personalized life coaching,